Who's that? What was that strange noise? Well, I think it's actually a bird or something. I don't know. What was that strange noise? That's it. I have a better plan to teach that way. It'll be something you're going to love him. Kaya! No, you are making stupid noises! No, because you are making those annoying sounds.
You're such an insane person! You're so stupid! You're so stupid!
Nope. Really? Now stop! Get out of here! No annoying noises! I am not. I'm not like that. I'm not insane. Shut up. Be quiet. Ignore me then. So annoying. Oh! You know what, that's it. I'm taking this into my room. Now I finally got this in my cupcake box, and now I'm gonna eat it. I just heard that! It was Sophia who's making those type of noises! Shut up, Sophia! No, you have to stop making those annoying noises, or I'm going to tell Dad! That's what I'm telling Dad. Hey, Dad! Sophia's being rude to me! There it is, Dad! He's rude to me again. Really? Is this true? Yes, it is true. You should help them, Brianna Jenkins, the dad. Okay. Okay, now let's do this. Hey, Sophia. Why are you annoying? Why are you annoying your big sister? She's your sister, Sophia. I don't care. That's a young lady. You know what? I'm sorry this happened to you, Matilda. Yeah, I know. I better go hang out with my friends, Brianna for a while, and Alan Wakefield as well. I hate you, Sophia. I hate you more. Listen, Sophia, I have to go to the toilet real fast, okay? So don't do anything stupid, okay? Thank you. Now time to go to the toilet.
Hey, Matilda.
Hey, Mommy.
I'm your grandfather.
Oh, it's you, Grandpa.
Yeah, so Mama
Okay, I'm sorry, I didn't see it.
Okay.
Oh, I think Matilda's in
What's that? I'm trying to go to the toilet. Who's doing that? If that's Sophia, she's in big trouble. That's it. Sophia? What are you doing making no noises while I was trying to go to the toilet? I'm not happy with your excuses. You do not know your grandpa was trying to go to the toilet. You're grounded for a week. Get to your room. Get to your room right now.